Most traders skip this strategy because it's boring, and that's exactly why it works. While everyone is chasing flashy indicators and risky setups, I used one simple pocket option strategy on my real account and turned a tiny balance into thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll show you the exact trades, the exact setup, and the results that made me $26,848.89. Stay until the end because this might be the simplest profitable strategy you've ever seen. For this session, I'll be using the Turbo Trend Technical Analysis tool. It's designed to help identify the market direction and highlight potential entry opportunities with a simple and easy to follow setup. The market has been selected and the broker is ready. Now it's time to confirm the setup and wait for a valid signal from Turbo Trend before entering the trade. Alright everyone, if the signal shows neutral like this, we can either look for another market or adjust the trading duration. In this case, I'm going to switch the trade duration to 3 minutes and set the signal time frame to 5 minutes. In this case, the 5-minute signal is showing a sell direction, and I've already entered a sell trade with a 3-minute expiration. A quick reminder, the signal duration should not exceed the trade duration. This helps ensure that the trade is completed while the signal is still valid, reducing the chance of market conditions changing before the position closes. If you'd like to get access to Turbo Trend, check the video description for more details. To keep the video moving, I'm going to speed up this part and we'll come back when the result is in. And there we go, another perfect result. This trade closed in profit exactly as expected. The price moved strongly to the downside and followed the sell signal almost perfectly. This is exactly what we're looking for when entering a trade: clear direction and strong momentum. Now let's move on to the next setup. This time we're going to use the 1-minute signal and take a 1-minute trade to see how it performs in faster market conditions. And there it is, another winning trade. Once again, the signal was accurate and the market moved exactly in the direction we expected. This is now another profit added to the session, and so far, the results have been very consistent. The key is staying disciplined, following the signal, and waiting for the right setup instead of forcing trades. I also want to make something very clear. These trades are not being placed on a demo account. Everything you're seeing in this video is happening on my real trading account, with real money and real results. So far, the strategy is performing exactly as intended. Let's keep the momentum going and continue with the next trade. that's the end of today's trading session. As you've seen, by following the signals and staying disciplined, we were able to capture multiple profitable trades on a real account. If you'd like to get access to TurboTrend and learn more about how it works, be sure to check the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next trading session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.